Hello viewers! We usually see breed lists either related to dogs or cats, but rarely see lists of other creatures. And today, when I saw a strange chicken, I thought it would be great to bring something different on Forever Green for its awesome audience. So I researched and found some of the most interesting chicken breeds that exist on our planet. Before we proceed, let me remind you to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. Stay with me for just 5 minutes and I'm sure that you will be amazed at the end. Number 1. Max Rumpy. Max Rumpy is an excellent chicken breed that requires no virtual supplemental food. Another fascinating thing about this chicken is that they don't grow a conventional tail. This breed comes in a variety of colors. Max Rumpy is originated from Iraq and Iran. These are excellent free-range birds and can take care of their feeding needs on their own. These birds have small, single combs that are in common with this breed. Number 2. Brahma. Brahmas are the gentle giants of chickens, also called the king of chicken breeds. They are among the largest breed of chicken. They are known for their featured legs, flat and fluffy feathering. The Brahma is a massive, tall bird, having strong feet and legs covered with feathers that is extended all the way down to the middle toe. This beautiful breed of the chicken is a great pet due to its quiet nature, tolerance to cold, and sheer thickness. Brahma cocks can weigh more than 18 pounds. Number 3. Sarama. Another type of beautiful chicken is Sarama. These chickens were originated in Malaysia and as the result of crossbreeding of many other breeds of chickens. They are also known as Arnold Schwarzenegger of Bantam family because they are 6 inches tall. Healthy chickens are often kept as indoor pets. Thousands of Sarama chickens died during a bird flu attack back in 2004, but the good news is that the breed is now in good recovery. Number 4. The Silky Bantam. One of the most beautiful and fluffy chickens alive today is Silky Bantam from China. They are popular and beloved due to their pretty, fluffy face. These birds have hair-like plumage and an incredibly sweet temperament. They're also known as the lapdog of the chicken world. They are said to have 5 toes instead of 4 as we usually see. It is said that the Silky was brought to Europe about 200 years ago, where Dutch breeders apparently told prospective buyers that they were a crossbred of rabbits and chickens. 5. The Silver-Laced Polish Chicken. Silver-laced Polish chickens are from the Polish chicken family, and it is one of the most beautiful chickens in the world. This breed was thought to have originally come from the Netherlands, but got its name when it was transported from Poland and produced in England. They are widely known for their crazy top hat of feathers on their heads, and this very old domesticated breed of poultry is mentioned as early as the 16th century in history. Breeders have worked for years to perfect the black lacing in the feathers. They have beautiful crests and tall, lean bodies. These hens lay small white eggs and can be used as egg layers, but they're better suited to be exhibition birds because of their beauty. 6. Crested Golden Polished Chickens. One of the weirdest looking chickens on our list is the Golden Polished Chicken. They are known for their large bouffant crest of feathers on the head, which seems like they are wearing some kind of crown, which also sometimes impedes their vision. These chickens have wonderful layers of white eggs, and these birds make great pet chickens. 7. Ayam. On second spot, we have the most unusual colored chicken. There are lots of animals having black color, but not a chicken like this one. Ayam is a completely black bird, not just from the outside, but from the inside too. From the inside, I mean their inner organs are also black. They were introduced to Europe in 1998 by a Dutch breeder, where they drew considerable interest among poultry enthusiasts due to its unusual appearance and beautiful genetic makeup. This chicken is highly regarded in Asia because their meat is believed to have mystical powers. Their meat also contains a high amount of iron, therefore beneficial to everyone, especially to women. 8. The Onagadori. On number 4, we have Onagadori. The word Onagador means long-tailed and honorable chicken in Japanese. Beautiful long tail feathers were achieved by selective breeding. The length of tail feather of Onagador is about 12 to 27 feet. It is said that this is the oldest breed of chickens dating back to the 1600s. It is also believed that this breed is originated from another long-tailed Japanese chicken named Shikoku. 9. Appenzeller. Appenzeller is a chicken breed which originated in Switzerland. This polka-dotted breed was named after the ladies who wore large, lacy bonnets in Appenzellerland. These chickens come in 2 varieties, the Spitzhauben and the Silver Spangle. The Spitzhauben has feather crests in males and females. It is light in weight, having an average weight of 3.5 pounds, and is the most common variety found in Switzerland. 10. Dong Tao. Also called the dragon chicken, Dong Tao is a Vietnamese chicken breed which has one of the thickest legs usually not seen among birds of that size. They may look horribly deformed, but these dragon chickens are among the world's most expensive poultry, as their massive thighs are a delicacy in Vietnam and usually weigh around 6 to 8 kilograms. The bird's bulbous legs are covered with reddish scales and can grow to be as thick as a person's wrist. This bizarre-looking breed is famous for its delicious meat and was once bred exclusively for the country's royal family. A pair of the chickens can cost a staggering $2,000 as they are in very short supply, as well as being difficult to breed.